Good morning. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click that link below.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
All right, Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. I am heading to the post office to officially open my P.O. box for the challenges y'all want to send me. So yeah, I mentioned in a video that I would open a P.O. box if you guys wanted to send me thrift store challenges. So do a thrift store makeover. And I thought about it and how I would do it. So what I'm thinking is, y'all have to send me something you purchased at the thrift store. Doesn't matter what it is. And you send it to me, leave the price tag on it, and I'll see if I can flip it for a profit. Okay, so I'll upcycle it, flip it for a profit. So if you want to challenge me, I'm about to go get a P.O. box so that you guys can send me stuff. So we're gonna do that. All right. I had Distressed Donna immediately post in the comment, yes, she wanted to. Other people direct messaged me that, yeah, they would like it if I opened a P.O. box. Y'all, okay. All right, it's happening right now. All right, y'all. Got them. So, my new address, you can send your thrift flips to, your thrift flip challenge. Thrift flip challenge. Send it to Stacy, Verdick Case, and I'll put everything up right about here. P.O. Box 415, Stacy, Minnesota. I know, I live in a city with my own name on it. Stacy, Minnesota 55079. And I will get them, and I will unbox them, and then I will figure out how to make a profit from it.
Visit my blog, PeonyLaneDesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.